Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a FTP skateboard deck that my son got, and also a tee or something like that. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up together to find out what's this all about. So here are the two items. The description right here is a logo deck. It's a size 8. Retail price is $60. And then there's a logo tee white size medium. Retail is $28. So total is $88. $7.70 for the tax. Shipping is $10. So total is $105.70. And then there's a FTP, what is this, sticker? So it says FTP Babylon. And right here it says FTP is not a skateboard company. And it says after population 8. I'm not sure what that means, but go ahead and check out this tee. It's a size medium sticker right here. It's a block bar right there. Let's go ahead and check out the label. So this one's pretty strong, 100% cotton made in USA, size medium. And then here's the care instruction. So on the front you got this FTP Babylon. The left hand side the chest, and then you got the bigger one on the back. And then that's it. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Be sure to check out our new merch at teespring.com. That's included within the description. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace.